What is it like driving a Tomei Z? By the way, that says rat in English. Alright, actually, so first things off, I just want to show you guys something. As you guys remember, the 300ZX had the weird bumper color. Look at this. That looks so clean now. You guys go check out last video because we painted the whole bumper ourselves and it turned out epic. This is gonna be, oh, there's my neighbor. So first things, the most cringiest and most greatest, but at the same time most annoying part of the day, a cold start. Why? Because you don't want to piss off your neighbors. You just don't. Oh, there's another neighbor over there with her dog outside. I'm about to break the whole piece. Everything's quiet and nice, and then this happens. One thing I found about this exhaust, I was gonna say it in the beginning, previous to my old exhaust, which was just test pipes and AM short tails, which is like a muffler delete, this exhaust, the drone on the interior is not nearly as bad as when I just had like a muffler delete and test pipes. I guess it's, oh, green, oh, almost installed, crap. I guess it's because it's a bit of a higher pitch compared to the muffler delete, so it's not like a constant like humming like oh. It's more of a just a happy just BQ engine. You also gotta be careful you don't scrape your exhaust because it's so low. I just got such a great workout, but alright, so I don't think I've showed you guys really the clearance of this exhaust. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but that's the ground right there, and that's the exhaust. There's about like there's literally like 2 inches of clearance from the exhaust and the ground. Here's a great example. Places like these, you gotta go extra slow. I don't know, I think she's gonna shoot flames. We have to get an outside shot of that. Oh, you just smell fuel. Yo. Back then she didn't do it that aggressively, right? it's extremely windy right now, but most importantly, that Tomei is hot, boys. How many likes? How many likes? Nope, nope, nope. Oh my gosh. That's not supposed to get on fake. When you guys see me in the streets, you tag me. Oh, it fits perfectly right there. And it's got like the little slashes, so gotta be unique. That's how it's supposed to be. The Z is supposed to be. There we go, and we good, we good, we good. Oh no, it's stuck in my head. It just goes like that. You think that's good? Let's go! Starting my own vinyl wrapping business as well as painting business. Just hit me up. Looking back at the footage of me like doing an insane drive-by over there, the Tomei sounds beautiful, man. Like on the low end, actually I'm gonna have it rev it. But the Tomei, so like in the lower end, it's still really beefy and it sounds really deep. It's not like a riser sound like 90% or 80% of the internet says. Joking, obviously, but then when you get to that more higher end, it just screams. Like when you get to like, I would say 6 to like 7,500, it's like literally a jet just. It's beautiful. Oh, I missed it. Alright, we're finally gonna get rid of this bird poop. No, I didn't touch it in previous clips, and then I thought it was disgusting and I didn't include it. I didn't do that. All this because of some bird poop. Oh, there's a camera right there. Yo, subscribe to Danny's on YouTube, bro. And we are. How is the exhaust not scraping when I go through all that? Like we're literally on the ground and hey, good for me though. Oh, that was bad. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting that much of a noise. There, I could really tell the difference between the previous exhaust and this one. Alright boys, time to take wifey to the mall. Rip the wallet. So how does it feel to daily this beautiful thing with that beautiful sound? To be honest, it feels absolutely amazing. I can't complain, I really can't. If I had crap to say, I would. The only thing I do have to say, I think I already said it like 3 times, how low it is. But overall, Tomei's a way to go. But yeah, I hope you guys, I can't even see the stop sign, are enjoying the content. Don't worry guys, I plan on making a bunch of videos with the exhaust and one very high quality, sick video of just the exhaust. And actually I'm giving away too much. Thank you guys so much for watching. A lot coming for the channel. Make sure you share with your friends, leave that thumbs up like always. Like, your support is amazing, does not go unnoticed. Absolutely love you guys. And yeah, with that said, peace out boys, see you next time.